Yo, what's good, fam? It's me, your OG creator, the ultimate game master of the universe, sliding into your feed with some straight-up wisdom from the book of Matthew. This ain't no dusty scroll, it's my epic love letter to y'all, the TikTok scrolling, Fortnite grinding, X-posting squad of 2025. Grab your energy drinks, mute your Discord notifications, and let's dive into my story like it's a new DLC drop. Ready? Bet. So Matthew's my boy, one of my top-tier disciples, like a content creator with 1 million subs. He wrote this book to flex my son Jesus' life, my ultimate avatar in the human realm. Matthew's gospel is like a highlight reel of Jesus' main quest, showing love, dropping truth, and clutch-saving humanity. Back then, my people were under Roman rule, kind of like how y'all feel stuck under algorithm bans or cancel culture in 2025. They were thirsting for hope, just like you vibe with those X posts about mental health awareness after last year's global protests for equality. Matthew's mission: show that Jesus is the king, the ultimate goat, who flips the script on oppression and hate. Chapter 1 kicks off with Jesus' origin story. My son, born to a Virgin Mary in Bethlehem. No cap, that's my divine spawn point, fulfilling prophecies like a perfectly timed headshot. Fast forward to chapters 5 through 7, the Sermon on the Mount. This is my patch notes for life, y'all. Jesus lays out the meta for winning at humanity: love your enemies, forgive the haters, and keep it 100 with your heart. Sounds tough, right? But I see you out there grinding through life's laggy servers, school stress, climate anxiety, or dodging toxicity online. I dropped these rules to help you level up, not rage quit. Think about 2024's climate strikes or the X campaigns for disaster relief after those mega hurricanes. My love through action vibe in Matthew, it's the same energy. Jesus says in chapter 22, love me and love your neighbor. Core mechanics for a W in life. That's why I sent Jesus, my ultimate MVP, to show you how to play the game right, even when the world's on hardcore mode. Now, let's talk endgame. Chapters 26 to 28. The world tried to nerf Jesus. Betrayed, crucified, game over, right? Nah, fam, that's my biggest plot twist. Jesus takes the L to cancel your sin debt, then respawns on day 3. Resurrection, that's my ultimate power-up, proving I'm the final boss over death. This hits like those 2025 X posts about second chances, people rebuilding after wildfires or fighting for justice post-riots. Matthew 28, the Great Commission, is my call to action. Go spread love and truth like you're sharing a viral meme. I'm not asking for a perfect KD ratio, just keep it real and pass the controller to others. 8 fam, that's the book of Matthew in a 5-minute speedrun. It's my story of love, sacrifice and epic comeback, coded for you, the social media and gaming generation. Want to dive deeper? Peep Matthew on your Bible app, or hit up grok.com for more wisdom. Shout out to my XAI squad for that one. Like, sub and drop a comment. What's your fave Matthew moment? Keep grinding, stay blessed, and know I'm always in your party chat. Peace out.